Attorney, what do you think about PBBM regarding sa sinabi niya this morning? And
Anong sinabi ng BBM kaninang umaga ba?
ang pinakahuli ko lang na ano sa kanya is yung sa aking balita partner yung batas no for dynasty. Yun. Pinamamadali sa Kongreso. Anti-dynasty bill.
Tanong din sa akin niya, bakit
Oo.
daw yung anti-political dynasty bill ay hindi sinertify as urgent by the president.
Oh.
Instead, ang ginawa ng presidente ay kinlassify lang to as a priority bill.
Yun pala
No?
priority, oo.
Yeah, priority
Bill,
bill.
oo.
And some are telling us, asking us,
Mm.
bakit hindi priority? Kasi iba yung priority bill sa urgent bill pala.
Mm-mm.
So ang gusto nila i-designate ni presidente ito as an urgent bill,
Mhm.
into the priority bill. Kasi pag urgent
Yun nga,
kasi under
kaibahan.
the constitution,
Oo.
ang kaibahan nito is that sa urgent bill ay hindi ito dumadaan sa usual process sa Kongreso. Yung first reading, second reading, and third reading.
Mm.
Sapagkat this bill is considered as an emergency or something that refers to a public calamity.
Mm.
So there is a need on the government and particularly the legislative department to fast track the
Oh.
bill so that maaprubahan kaagad.
Oo.
And that is what is provided under Section 26 of Article 6 of the 1987 Constitution.
Oo.
Sinasabi doon na kapag urgent bill, there is no need on the part of the House to go through the first, second, third reading kasi
Mm-mm.
ang sabi sa Constitution, pag nagpasa ka ng bill, dapat it must go through the 3 readings in separate days.
Mm.
Pero dito sa urgent bill, pwede mong itakil yan in one day, yung 3 readings na yan. So,
Okay.
ipapast track mo siya, isang araw lang siya pwede.
Oo.
Tapos ipasa mo na kagad doon sa Senado for their yung counterpart nila ron. Pero sa
Okay.
priority bill, hindi ganun ang proseso.
Mm.
Binibigyan na lang ng highlight na, oy, priority to. Kumbaga sa ilaw, inilawan mo lang yung proposed bill as a
Oo.
priority.
Oo.
And then, kumbaga, nagkaroon lang siya ng advantage over the other bills pending in the legislative department. Pero it does not mean that it will be given a treatment the same as an urgent bill. Hindi siya ganon. Pwedeng priority but it does not guarantee na this year, next year, maipapasa yan as a law yung anti-political dynasty bill. So ngayon, may nagtatanong dito ngayon, nako, mukhang malabo yan. Bakit? Kasi dapat kung gusto mo maging batas yan agad, dinesignate mo as a urgent bill, not a priority bill. Because it will still be within the discretion of the lawmakers whether
Kung
or
gusto
not
nila.
talagang
Oo.
i-fast track nila yan.
Tama.
No? Yun ang kaibahan nun. And at the same time, yung urgent bill na yan, it is only the president who can do that, no, certify the urgency of the bill. While doon sa priority bill, it is the Legislative Executive Development Advisory Council, which is also known as LEDAC,
LEDAC.
na siyang nagsasabi na priority bill dapat ito. Hindi katulad nung wala yan sa konstitusyon.
Oo.
Pero yung urgent bill, andun sa Constitution yun. Article 6, Section 26.
So magiging
That is an exemption to the rule na dumaan yan sa regular process in creating a law.
so yun po lang, munin mo na pala partner ang natin dito, sitwasyon. Oo. Sa dynasty.
Pero sabi nga ng iba, medyo tahimik na medyo pinupuna, talaga kung seryoso kayo na mawala yung political dynasty, urgent. O kaya yung palagi natin binabanggit dito sa usapang batas na palitan nyo yung konstitusyon tapos lagay nyo doon sa bagong konstitusyon, wala nang enabling law. Kasi nakalagay sa konstitusyon, bawal yung political dynasty. But it could be it should have an enabling law. Kung nakalagay doon as may be provided by law, ibig sabihin, gagawa pa ang Kongreso ng batas upang
Batas.
maisakatuparan ang pinag-uutos ng ating saligang batas na bawal
Oo.
ang dynasty. Paano kikilos sa dynasty yan? Sila doon, 80-60%. Sila naman yung talaga nagbabiolate sa dynasty,
Number one.
anti-political
Oo.
dynasty. Do you
Oo.
think they will follow? No. Kaya nga dito inuutakan ka eh. Bakit? Ginawa mo lang priority bill eh.
Hmm.
It should be certified as
As
urgent bill.
urgent. Oo.
No?
According to kasi sa Pangulo, gusto niya partner na maging legacy niya to, no? O legasiya. Oo.
Yun ang gusto niya. Paano kung hindi kumilos ang
Yan
Kongreso?
lang.
Kasi
Oo.
priority lang yan. There is a big difference
Between
the two. Priority
and
bill and urgent bill. Magkaiba
Oo.
yan.
That is our lesson.
Yeah, that is our
Lesson
lesson
for
for today. There will be a quiz tomorrow.
Sabi ni Jopet, sige po, attorney. Urgent and priority.
Attorney Bueno, law and beyond. Learn the law, know your